Where do you want to go? Welcome to the park, sir.
The park?
Yeah, Blue Lagoon. We fenced in the whole area. Big chunk of Pandora wilderness. You want to see the planet? This is the safest place to do it.
How are we supposed to see the planet from inside a fence?
Seriously, man, you do not want to go beyond the fences, okay? I heard about a dude locked his arm to a plant. A frickin' plant.
You serious?
Like the clap. Officer Midori's waiting for you near the main gate.
Alpha Sector? I hear rumors. It's going full fever.
Na'vi would never risk all out. They get their asses kicked.
And why?
That's just mess.
Ryder, you're just in time. We've got troops caught in the wire. They're reporting Viper Wolves moving on them.
Viper Wolves?
You'll love them. You've worked a turret, right? Good. Climb the main gate and lay down some covering fire. Move it! Not bad for a signal specialist.
Thanks.
This isn't over yet. We still have a man deep in the wire. Grab a buggy and help him out. Kid's name is Dalton, and he's pretty spooked.
What spooked him?
Guess you're gonna find out.
Attention all line personnel.
Glad to see you.
Thank God you're here. The place is infested with those dogs. I had to slip in here and try and lose them. You gotta help me. I can't leave till I DF a signal, and I got Viper Wolves everywhere. This mission's priority one for Commander Falco. It's to track Navi activity or something. I can't get it working.
Calm down, what do you need?
I need a signal, and I ain't never done this stuff before.
Alright, can you make it back to base okay? I'll lock the signal for you.
For real? Oh man, you're saving my ass. You gotta head a couple of mics northeast. That's the spot.